proud as a Jamaican. It manifests my vision and my thoughts and my ideas and my knowledge of Jamaica. We know that we have unlimited potential. In every field, we are, or we can be some of the greatest.
Well, it was crazy. All I can say is see this year, come like lightning bolt, come to take over the world.
It was something that took Jamaica, I wouldn't say climax or peaked, but like a bright light. Like this light been shining, and it's shining in so many different ways. And to see our young people from a positive aspect, which is needed to be promoted more and not commercialized, to see these youths run not to become famous, but to represent a little island that is stigmatized. And they ran with everything they had in them, and we sat in our living rooms and we cried with them and we slept with them and we won with them, and it was an overwhelming feeling. I would have loved for our government to capitalize on that moment more in terms of injecting more positive after-school projects in the schools, basing on the energy and the flow of adrenaline that the people are feeling. Use it for positivity and not to advertise alcohol and all the other stuff that they show on the youth. When good moments are shared as an island, we need to use it for the right reasons. And now they're saying that they want to commercialize our track and field, our sports in Jamaica. Jamaica sports does not need to be commercialized in the sense of to say make it broader so it can make money. It needs to be commercialized to say these are youths who grow up in very volatile communities who are willing to run to become something greater than their mothers or fathers might have been. You know, so it's for us to celebrate that and to support that more.
Festival Jamaica.
Festival Jamaica 2012 at the Maryland Complex, Buxton Road, Stratford, London E15 1SL. Buy tickets at all the usual outlets, online, or call 0203 137 3055 or 07528 276 796.
Jamaica to the world. 2012.